Hey guys, Will at All Power. We just finished up this gen set. When it came in, it would not start and run. Now it starts and runs great. So I can show you what we did here. So in the circuitry, Steve did some testing and he found that there was an open circuit. After looking through this thing for quite some time, what he found was a broken female spade connector. This was inside here. So when it was crimped too tight. And over time, the vibration had worked this thing to where there was a small gap between the two wires. It's nearly impossible to see, or absolutely impossible to see when it's together, because you can't tell what's what when this is in here. But with a DMM, you can tell that there's an open circuit. So we found the open circuit, he repaired the connector, and it's back and running.